Being on board this ship with you scientists for a couple of weeks, Guido and myself have been inspired to conduct a little bit of science on our own. And we've discovered an interesting phenomenon that seems to only occur in the Arctic. We call it a sunlight depletion event. What we've observed is that every evening at approximately 7 p.m., the sunlight normally present during the day mysteriously disappears.
To investigate this phenomenon further, we decided to venture outside during one of these events. They are very difficult to predict, but we got lucky, and here we are.
What we think is happening is that when the sea ice turns precisely -5 degrees Celsius, the sunlight is transported down into the water through tiny little brine channels where it's taken up by copepods that are bioluminescent, and they're called Metridia luigi.
And so it enters the food chain and piles up in the fish, and finally gets transported back to the atmosphere thanks to beluga whales coming up to gap for air.
So we think, and we're pretty sure, that this phenomenon requires further investigation. So to that end, we've applied to the Canadian and Italian governments for funding to fund further important research activities here on the Amundsen.
Cheers.
Cheers.